What they use of guns if we don't have guts? Where our devotees and minority Hindus get massacred in Bangladesh and Pakistan and Afghanistan too. Still we are talking a software language. Correct? Na? In the name of their God, they are becoming very hard. Still we want to remain software. How long? How long? How long you will remain? If you talk soft, धमकी नहीं देता है, धमकी देना जरूरत है. When fire attacks our daddy house, so you should not sleep. Immediately you should go for solution. You should not entertain. Correct? Any water you must pour and save your home. That is the situation in Bangladesh Hindus. And that country Prime Minister lady, Sheikh Hasina, she openly gave a statement, dear Bangladeshi Hindus and Buddhist minorities, if you want peaceful life, better go to India. Because Bangladesh is not a secular country. It's a Muslim country, Islamic country. If you cannot go to India, better you convert into Islam. This is the country's Prime Minister statement. And our rascal says, Binnattonlo Ekatto.
Ganga Yamuna Tehzeeb.
Hey, nonsense.
Hindu Muslim bye bye.
Nonsense. And they are saying so many jokes like Hindu Muslim bye bye. How it's how? Only one side coin? If it is true, Hindu Muslim by true means these Indian Muslims must condemn the act which is done by the Bangladesh pigs. Can they?
No.
Forget about Bangladesh pigs. What happened? Our Akbaruddin 8 years ago, he gave a statement. Give me 15 minutes. I will chop all Hindu sets. What happened? No one Muslim never give opposite statement on it. That means they are all awaiting. They are enjoying that. They are kidnapping our girls, our sisters, our mothers, raping, murdering, looting, that butchering. If you see that video, they captured that devotee and beaten, and they wear mask and they put knife, like chopping, like a sabji. That's sabji. They're chopping like a mutton.
Is it true that ISKCON temple is burned down in Bangladesh?
Burned. They put
Even
fire.
Srila Prabhupada DT also
Srila
got
Prabhupada
burned.
DT get into black.
2 devotees are killed. అది కరెక్టే కానీ గుడి కూడా కాల్ చేశారు.
గుడికి చూడండి, మన వాళ్ళు చేసిన తప్పు ఏంటంటే మన వాళ్ళు అన్నం పెట్టారు, వాళ్ళకి దండం పెట్టి అన్నం పెట్టారు, వాళ్ళు నిప్పు పెట్టారు. అంటే మనకి తెలిసిన విద్య మనం చూపించాం, వాళ్ళకి తెలిసింది వాళ్ళు చూపించాం. వాళ్ళకి ఏం రాసిందో వాళ్ళు చేస్తారు.
కానీ ప్రకృతి వైపరీత్యాలు చాలా ఘోరంగా ఉంటాయి కదా ఇప్పుడు బంగ్లాదేశ్ మీద చాలా.
ఎప్పుడో భవిష్యత్తులో వాళ్ళకి ప్రకృతి శిక్షిస్తుంది, దట్ ఈస్ అనదర్ థింగ్, ఇట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్. కానీ ఇప్పుడు అసలు అర్జునుడు యుద్ధం ఎందుకు చేయాలి?
మనకు జరిగిన అన్యాయాన్ని
కృష్ణుడు చెప్పాడు కదా, యుద్ధము చేయకుండా బతుకుగల వారు ఎవరు లేరని. లెట్ హిమ్ గో అండ్ స్లీప్ ఆర్ లెట్ హిమ్ గో అండ్ డూ ధ్యాన ఇన్ ద జంగిల్. బట్ కృష్ణ డోంట్ లీవ్ హిమ్. Hey, get up! He said, get up, rise, and fight. Yuddhaya Krita Nishchaya. Why? That is, as a warrior, that is your prime duty, Baba. That is prime duty. As a Arjuna, he must fight because he is a warrior. Correct? A devotee must be warrior. Idam Kshatram, Idam Brahmin. See, you doing bhajan or chanting or hearing, reading, all good, no doubt. No doubt.
It must.
It must for soul. But when situation, see, when there is a scorch heat, you are wearing chappal, you are wearing umbrella, you want cool, thandi. Why? Depends on prakriti. Correct? If somebody offer a thandi water or something else in December or January, you won't. I don't. Garam chahiye bolte. Kyun? Depend on the weather. Depend on the weather. We should change. Correct? The same. I used to say in Telugu English, I call you Andi till you call me Andi. If you say Ara, I will say Para, not Rara.
True.
Very simple.
Super.
Very simple, na?
Simple.
మా ఊరికి మీ ఊరు ఎంతో మీ ఊరికి మా ఊరు ఎంతో.
Logical.
Very simple. When somebody call you yara, how long you will call saru? Correct? That's why I repeat again. What is the use of guns if you don't have guts? We need guts. We must have guts to face the situation. And we must do rally or dharna in front of a mosque.
Come. Question
So
them.
we should go to the mosque and we remove the mask. Understood? We should go to the mosque and remove the mask and invite the task.
If you are secular, come and
They are my Muslim brothers.
So called.
Bye बोलता है
show
ना?
your brotherhood here.
गंगा जमुना
Ganga Jamuna Tehzeeb.
Tehzeeb.
हाँ ये jokes మళ్ళీ విందాం సున్నా
గంగా మనదే జమున మనదే తైజీబ్ పెట్టారు.
అది.
కాబట్టి ఈ జోక్ నిజమైతే if joke is true then please come, please join and condemn them the act which is done by Bangladesh pigs. If they condemn, you have humanity. If they don't condemn, we understood your unity. If we lost, understand this is we don't have the purity. But we should remain, we should remember they have clarity.
True.
Again I am saying they have full clarity to make this country become Islamic.
Gazbai Hind.
75 years ago when our India get divided in two parts as a Pakistan and India, Bharatvarsha, Hindustan, they announced लड़ाई करके लिए पाकिस्तान हास के लेंगे
Hindustan.
they given a statement and they work for it. They are kidnapping our girls and they are doing love jihad and they are spoiling our cultures through movies. Bollywood. Just a few days ago that AIMS
AIMS. Delhi AIMS.
రామాయణం పై
Ramayana. Sayyid Arshaf, that guy posted, but who watched that? Hindus. No.
Derogatory
Just
Sita
wait.
Mata. They made a video on Sita Mata derogatory.
Okay. Yeah.
Lakshman and Sita Mata.
They in a funny way.
Okay.
And new movies coming up. Tridev. Say, why don't they make one movie on their
Mulla Dev, Allah Dev, Vaikant Dev.
Why don't? See, this Telugu media also is a brothel media. These guys also speaking nonsense. And they are going to put debates on Deepavali. Why don't they put one debate on Bakrid?
No firecrackers on road.
Debate on
Why?
Lord Rama.
That guy, Amir Khan says,
No.
ये सड़क गाड़ी
गाड़ी।
चलने के लिए
पटाखा
पटाखा नहीं. अरे सेम स्टेटमेंट why don't you give? सड़क only for गाड़ी, not for namaz.
Namaz.
Why you don't give?
Shame.
Why don't you give? Because we are not questioning. Please, I request the Hindus, don't purchase single item. Those who don't celebrate Diwali. You celebrate Diwali, and you purchase items who celebrate from there only. Understand?
Yes.
Who is against your festival? Why you are making a festival for them with your money?
Hari
True,
bol,
true.
Hari bol.
One question.
Jai Shri Ram.
Understand?
In Bangladesh, when the Prime Minister herself has told, has not condemned the acts, this malicious act, can we say there is a government support to those jihadis?
Why not? Why not? Why not?
Direct support. It's not.
Why not?
Country itself is Islamic country, sir. Nobody can do anything.
That does not mean that you have to butcher other religions.
It's
They
Islamic
can,
country.
arre.
They are following the book.
What Afghanistan? What Afghanistan? Your software, you are thinking in that manner. See, when Rama get chance to kill Ravana, hey, please go tomorrow and come with a new car and with new weapons. Because he is Rama, not that fellows. You know, there is a Yuddha Niti. You know Yuddha Niti?
Yes.
Some ethics in war. After sunset, one should not fight.
Yeah, yeah.
That is a rule for a war. So our kings previously, some 800 years ago, oh, sunset, no? Bye,
Tata.
tata, see you, Gio. And they went and sleep. These pigs, they don't have any ethics. They have only one epic, no? And they,
They especially target after sunset.
after sunset, these guys ate and slept,
They came and attacked.
chopped. So that's why we should behave how the enemy behave. Correct? How enemy comes and put fire to your home, still you are saying Raghupati Raghava Rajaram. What the nonsense? Please come to the sense. Then only you can stop this nonsense. Now stop buying from these butchers. Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, those who support them, they are not humans, they are butchers.
Butchers. True, true.
Butchers.
True, true.
And how you purchase from butchers and butcher supporters? Unless you are a country brute. So purchase from only Hindus. And whenever you go to any shop, say Ram Ram, reply
If you reply,
Ram Ram. If he
Replies.
reciprocate with Ram Ram, you purchase. Otherwise, Ram Ram. Very simple. Very simple.
true,
Okay, na?
true, true, true.
Use this. Thank you. Bharat Mata ki
Jai.
Thank you.
Hare
Thank you.
Krishna, Hare Krishna.